Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a simple half up half down hairstyle. This will work on straight or curly hair. To start, I'm going to gather the top of the head, leaving a little out at the front, and we're going to do this on both sides. Use a dressing out brush to smooth it to the back of the head, and then all we're going to do is twist that hair to the right. Now gently push that twist upwards to create a little bit of height, and just use your fingers to smooth out any lumps and bumps. Next, just loosen up the sides by gently pulling on them. Now we're just going to secure the twist to the head using a few bobby pins. So take your bobby pin and make sure that you catch a little bit of hair from the twist, and then rotate it back on itself so you catch a little bit of hair from the scalp, and then push it underneath the twist to hide it. I've only used 3 pins on this whole hairstyle. Now take some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And we're just going to spray that across the top of the head. Then gently pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up and create a nice bit of volume and texture. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.